Someone recently commented on one of my videos saying that he cannot see the Face ID and passcode option in the iPhone settings. Now, if we compare these two iPhones, we have the same problem here as well. So, if this is happening to you, don't worry. Your iPhone is probably not broken. Most of the time, this happens because of a screen time restriction. Here is how to fix it. Open Settings and go to Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down until you see Allow Changes To. Now tap on Passcode and Face ID. If this is set to Don't Allow, the iPhone will hide the entire Face ID and Passcode section from Settings. Simply change it to Allow. Once you do that, go back to the main settings page and the Face ID and passcode option will appear again. If you also cannot access your Apple ID or iCloud settings, check the account's restrictions as well and set it to allow. But remember, you'll need the screen time passcode to change these settings if you have set it previously. If you don't know that passcode, you won't be able to remove the restriction. And that's the reason why some people suddenly can't see Face ID and passcode on their iPhone. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next one.